Yeah.
On your third record, in some way, shape, or form.
Yeah.
What was with the sudden change in your sound, and then you reverted back on your latest EP? What was up with that?
With that record, it really kind of came to we've been writing. We've been 4 years strong since 2001. So we've been writing songs together since then. And when we got to going with that record, we've been growing as musicians and songwriters for so long that when we went into the studio, we were like, we want to try some different things, because one of the things that 4 Years Strong, like we've always done, is we put a lot of emphasis on, the riffs going crazy and all this stuff. And then once the music is done, then we go back and be like, all right, let's fit some vocals on this thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And when we did that record, we were like, we really want to concentrate on trying to learn how to put, let the song breathe around a melody a little bit more, and try to put the melody more at the forefront of the song, and the vocals and the lyrics more at the forefront of the song, which in exchange, you have to kind of tone down riffing, because, everything, if you think about it, think about it as like you're mixing a record. You're like, oh, I want the kick drum really loud. I also want the guitars really loud. Oh, I want the vocals really loud. And then eventually you just have a bunch of mush. So you have to give and take with, same goes for songwriting. You have to let everything have its moment. We really wanted to try to have the melody and the lyrics have their moment. And we learned a lot from that writing experience. And I think when we come back to do this new EP, we kind of wanted to write something that was more in between Enemy of the World and In Some Way, Shape, or Form, in the sense that we wrote riffs like we did with 4 Years, like we did with Enemy of the World or Rise or Die Trying. We also wrote the vocals and the melodies more like we did on Some Way, Shape, or Form. For instance, I've said this before. If you look at like Rise or Die or Enemy of the World lyrics, it's like a fucking page, like 8 paragraphs per song of lyrics, because we would just try to fit as much stuff in there as we could, just like fast, like really like tongue twistery stuff. And when we did, In Some Way, Shape, or Form, we really tried to, have the song be a little more cohesive, so there's a lot less lyrics. Now, if you look at the new EP, the riffs are all crazy like they were before, but the lyrics, again, they're normal songs amount of lyrics, because we've taken everything that we've learned over the course of becoming musicians and songwriters, and that's where we are, on the EP. That's as far as we've gotten so far. So, I mean, that's the thing with 4 Years Strong, is we never wanted to stop evolving as songwriters. I mean, we are, at the end of the day, we're in, a pop punk band that has like super riffy parts, but we still like to explore musically, songwriting wise, and In Some Way, Shape, or Form, I think, was us really exploring and having a very big learning experience of like what we want to do. And then the new EP was kind of taking everything that we learned that works and doesn't work for our band and that thing and putting it together, and that's